Today I am going to cook a Reuben. This is a frugal meal Reuben because I didn't buy rye bread specifically for this because I wouldn't eat the rest of it. So I'm using just what I usually buy, the sourdough. And these are corned beef. And these little packets right here are 78 cents. And I'm going to use 2 per sandwich, making 2 sandwiches. I already had the sauerkraut, and I made one of these a couple of days ago, and that was good. Really good, so I'm going to do it again and do a video of it. So I'm going to use some more of the sauerkraut. I did have to buy the Italian dressing, and I did buy the sliced Swiss. So, and then I'm going to, just on the side, put some pickles and with some potato chips. And that's going to be our lunch today. I'm going to break this down into how much it costs per sandwich because there has been some places in my travels that I have ordered some wonderful Reubens. One of them is in Capitan, New Mexico, and there was another one in Washington or Oregon that was just outstanding. And I was like, I want to really recreate that. So it's recreated without the rye bread, and I get that. But, you know, for an everyday specialty sandwich, this is pretty cheap. So I will, at the end of the video, show you the cost per sandwich. So let's get cooking. Cooking means because I'm going to toast the bread, and I'm going to cook the, warm up the corned beef, melt some cheese on it. So let's get started. Butter in the pan. Yum. Gotta have lots of butter. I drained the sauerkraut so it won't make the bread soggy. I am putting the dressing on the side I've already grilled, and then I will put the meat on and the sauerkraut. Then I'll grill cheese the other side and get it all melty. Alright, let's put a little bit over here. Just, oop. Add another slice of grilled cheese. Grilled cheese. Swiss cheese. And sauerkraut. No, that's not enough sauerkraut, is it? The next one will have more, believe me. Michelle, what do you think?
I love it. I cheated. I put some of your wonderful
Guacamole?
it's just avocado, right?
Right.
And a little bit of pepper, and oh my gosh, it is as good. It's just as the other day. It's just fabulous. And the barbecue chips are good with it, and the dill pickles, and heaven.
Yeah, there's mine.
I'm in heaven.
You can take a bite.
I can if I quit singing. I'm messing it all up. I'm sorry.
It's a big sandwich.
Mmm.
Yummy, yummy.
Mmm. Mmm.